Welcome to Facts in 5, a presentation of the FRUTKIN Law Firm. We provide our clients with legal services in the areas of business law, asset and estate planning, bankruptcy, and litigation. The FRUTKIN Law Firm has office locations in Phoenix and North Scottsdale. You can visit us on the web at www.frutkinlaw.com.
We're going to talk today about one of the most exciting opportunities for our startup clients, and that's the Jobs Act. In April of 2012, President Obama signed into law the Jobs Act, which basically provided for a whole host of opportunities for companies to raise money. But the most important one that will impact the most people is the ability to raise equity through crowdfunding. Just for those of you who don't have the background. Crowdsourcing came together when people would find answers to questions on the internet. Computers from all over the world would be able to quickly find the answers to astronomy questions by using their processing power. More recently, crowdsourcing has been used in order to launch new products. So a website called Kickstarter has given new inventors the opportunity to pre-sell products to get investors into their company, not in the traditional sense, but as consumers, and then be able to use that money to make the products. But how about for those who want to traditionally sell their securities online to people so you can become a shareholder by investing right on the internet? There's a number of legal reasons why you couldn't do that. The most important of which is called Rule 506. This is something that the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, is very instrumental in enforcing. And basically what it means is that companies that want to raise money are in most cases limited to raising money from accredited investors. Now, as background, an accredited investor is someone who has a net worth of more than $1 million, not including the value of their home, or has income of more than $200,000 a year. In the case of a married couple, it could be $300,000 if you include the spouse's income. What this does is it restricts the number of people who invest into companies to our famous 1%. And the 99% are left out from investing in startups. This means even if you wanted to, you couldn't become an investor in the next Facebook. Well, the Jobs Act is going to change that. And the rules are going to be a lot more relaxed. A company will be permitted to raise up to $1 million on a rolling 12-month basis online through investors. If you make less than $100,000 a year, you're going to be restricted to investing the lesser of 5% of your income, or $2,000. If your income is higher than $100,000, you'll be able to invest up to 10% of the lesser of your annual net worth, your annual income or your annual net worth. So what does this mean to somebody? This means that soon, instead of Kickstarter being the place where you launch your new product, you'll have opportunity to use something the SEC is calling funding portals in order to go ahead and launch your new business. For our new business clients, this is going to provide an opportunity. This means that they'll be able to find investors online who will fund their business with up to $1 million. Now, of course, with all these things, there are regulations. The SEC at this point is continuing to work through those, and we don't know exactly what's going to happen. But we do know there's going to be disclosure requirements, we do know that there's going to be audit requirements, and we know that you're going to have to call your lawyer. So when you're thinking about crowdfunding your business, give us a call at the FRUTKIN Law Firm. We'd be happy to talk through the current state of the law and what the regulations mean to you.
Facts in 5 was brought to you by the FRUTKIN Law Firm. Facts in 5 is a series of short, general, informational presentations for the public. This is not legal advice. You should contact an attorney with specific questions regarding your particular situation. For more information, visit us on the web at www.frutkinlaw.com.